Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today we prepare an unboxing review of our new product for you guys, and the model number is the NF9206. Now let's start. As you can see, the black outside box is very textured. Let me read it off. And here is the guarantee card, and the warranty period is for 1 year. And here is the instruction manual. And the NF9206 is multifunctional watch that's using Japanese quartz movement. First, let's have a look at the back side. From the back side, you can note the model number and of this watch and the material of the back, the stainless steel, and the waterproof for 3 ATM. It makes use of the hardened mineral glass so that it is scratch resistant and a very durable watch. And the case diameter of this model is 45 mm, and the thickness is 13.5 mm. The case is zinc alloy material and the strap is stainless steel material. The total length of this watch is 240 mm. And you can notice the strap is a 3-link design, so and it has very nice quality. This watch uses folding buckle which is very easy to wear and convenient. Let me show you. And now we move on to the dial design to look at more details. The NF9206 takes inspiration from the sighting device, showing a sense of military style. You can have a look at this small dial on the right. The offset 3-dimensional small dial is used for the date display. And combined with the world map pattern at the center, it is easily captivate attention and show your invincible enchantment. And the bezel here adopt characteristic cross that Paris pattern and the fashion numbers here, just like a very cool dimension wall. Finally, let me introduce you all colors of this model. There are a total of 6 colors here, and this one is the solid gold. It is very shiny in the sun. And this one is the silver black. It is very cool, right? And this one is the color that I just talked about. It's the rose gold blue. And this one is the rose gold black. This one is the silver black. And the last one color is the silver blue. The dial, the woven pattern here, just like the ocean, it's very nice and beautiful. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9206 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.